So we are looking at one of the ways you can best represent your data or your information. And one of the way is the use of charts. So we want to look at charts in Excel. Charts are one of the way of representing your data or your information. So there are different types of charts. Let's go to charts. Let's go to home. So how do we locate chart? Go to your insert menu, and here you are going to find chart and the options. So we have pie charts, we have column charts, there is 2D bar charts, there is tree map, sunburst, stock, there is pivot chart, and there is bar chart, scatter, and so many other line charts too is there. So you can have line charts. We have line charts. In the process of trying to understand charts, you need to note that charts contain several different elements or parts that can help you interpret data. So, like I said, to insert a chart into your worksheet, so select the cells which you want to insert chart or include chart. Include the column titles like this. So you are going to highlight them all together. So from the insert tab, you are going to choose your type of charts you want to include. Let's look at stock, for example. In case you are not sure of which type of charts to use, the recommended charts button here, the recommended charts command will suggest several different charts based on the source data or information you provided. So if you click on the recommended chart, so it will allow you to scroll through each type of chart you need to use, so based on the information you are provided. So let me select this chart, this one. So when you select, then click OK. So I will selected, it will include or insert the chart into your worksheet. Excel allows you to add chart elements such as chart titles, legends, and data labels. So in order to make it easier to read, add chart elements to your information or to your data. So click on the chart design, then look for add chart elements. So when you click on the chart elements, you will see a couple of options like axis, if you want it primarily vertical or primary horizontal. That is, some information will go to the left behind the bars. Click it again. Options such as above title. You want your chart to have title. Let me even center it now and allow you to cover the entire worksheet. Click on the add chart element. Again, you will see other options like data labels. So do you want it at the center or inside end, inside base? Click this one. So there's also data table. Click data table. Click again. Error bars, grid lines, legends, also there is line. So that is how you can customize your chart. So if you want to edit, so for instance, the chart title, click on it twice and start editing. Change the text to whatsoever you want. So for instance, menu order. The reason why the chart is squeezed like this is because the information on the sheets are so much, so that's why it's squeezed. So but you can also change the chart type to have a bigger look to what is to have a larger view of what is there. So let me try surface. So you can see surface. Beneath the graph or the charts are the information supplied on the Excel worksheet. So that is why it's interpreting the information on the sheet. So you can see this tall one that's higher in height above every other ones. Excel also includes several different chart styles which allow you to quickly modify the look and feel of your chart. So to change the chart style, select the desired style here across here in this chart style group. So you can change the style. Sometimes when you update your data, you may tend to forget to update the chart as well. But sometimes it may not be automatic. You may have to deliberately go and enter it manually. But there's a quick way you can update your data at the same time your chart will be updated. So let me take this one away. I have this record here, so and the first thing I'm going to do to this one is to convert it to a table. So I'll make sure that one of these cell is selected. While you go to insert, you'll convert it to table. Now this table, go to home, click this home button and format as table. So choose any style you want. So it pop up, then click OK. So having done that, I'm going to reduce the space. It's too large. I want to insert the chart. Anyway, let's go to insert. Click insert and then choose this clustered chart. I'm going to take it down. So each time you update this particular worksheet, your chart will get updated as well. So how do we do that? Let me bring this chart up so that it will be visible while we are updating it. So each time you are updating this chart, let's say, okay, type watermelon. As you press enter, you will get an update from the chart. So each time you update the chart, something will happen to this. Each time you update the data, the chart also will get updated. Let's type groundnut, cucumber, so the chart is getting updated as well. So that is the size of this section. So see you in the next one.